Rent smarter with Heather Delamarter in lovely Vero Beach. Introducing a Berkshire Hathaway, Florida Realty rental property. To schedule your own tour, call 772-321-3056. Rent Now Unfurnished in a desirable 3 halves in East Village of Pointe West. Corner lot west/fenced-in backyard. Natural gas cooking, granite counters. Stainless appliances. Tile floors except bedrooms. Open plan with flex space and 10 to 12 feet ceilings in main rooms. Enjoy being close to all shopping, dining, movies, beaches, airport, easy access to 95. Easy to show. Move-in ready.